Welcome back to Math with Us. In this video, we are going to learn how to factorize the trinomial by the box method. Here we are going to factorize 2x square plus 7x minus 15 by using the box method. So first step is to draw the box with the 4 squares, with the 4 parts. So we'll place this first term in the first square, so here 2x square, and this last term in the last box, so minus 15. Now in order to fill these two boxes, we have to multiply this coefficient of x square and constant term. So by multiplying 2 and minus 15, we get minus 30. Now in order to fill these two boxes, we have to factorize this minus 30 in such a way when we add them, we get this middle term 7x. So let us factorize this minus 30. So here we'll write factor of minus 30. So when we multiply 1 and minus 30, we get minus 30. Then minus 15 and 2 gives you minus 30. 15 and minus 2 gives you minus 30. Minus 10 and 3 gives you minus 30. And 10 multiply minus 3 gives you minus 30. Now out of all these pairs, we have to select the pair which gives you, which when we sum up gives you 7x. So let us find out the sum. So 1 plus minus 30 gives you minus 29. Minus 15 plus 2 gives you minus 13. 15 plus minus 2 gives you 13. Minus 10 plus 3 gives you minus 7. And 10 plus minus 3 gives you plus 7. So here we need plus 7x. So we have to select these two factors. So we have to place them here in these two boxes, no matter where we put 10 and minus 3. So here we put plus 10x and here minus 3x. Now for this column, for this row, let us find out the common factor. So we get here 2x square and 10x, the common factor will be 2x. And for this minus 3x and minus 15, we get the highest common factor as minus 3. Now for this column 2x square and minus 3x, we get the highest common factor as x. And for this plus 10x and minus 15, we get the highest common factor as 5. Now we have to put these factors here in these two brackets and we get our solution. So here we put x plus 5 and this here 2x minus 3. So this is the solution. So when you multiply these two brackets, you get this 2x square plus 7x minus 15. So this is the solution. I hope this is useful to you. Please like and share the video and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.